go back to being a student. Ang problema, maybe you will gonna end up violating yung status mo. Nakafocus ka sa pag-aaral kasi gusto mong maka-qualify ka sa PSW. Mali. Okay? Maling-mali yun. The reason is, kaya mali, I don't actually stop anybody wanting to upgrade themselves here in Canada. But my point is, pag natapos ka ng PSW or healthcare profession, at the end of the day, lumalakad, pawala na at paubos yung status mo. Hindi ka nakafocus dun sa experience na mag-PR pathway ka. Alam mo ba, when you are open work permit, regardless mayroon ka mang experience as nanny or caregiver, as long na ang employer is allowing you and employing you to work with them, it doesn't matter kung mayroon kang experience or wala. The reason is that when you apply for PR application, ang hinihingi ng immigration is nakapag-work ka ng caregiver program experience, naka 6 months ka, yun ang rule right now. Hindi ko lang alam kung mag-change day after tomorrow, but as we are dealing right now, we're talking about the present law. Pangatlo is that naka-open work permit ka, you are qualified, you can still work whatever you're doing right now, businessman or anything, pero may nagbigay sa iyo ng job na caregiver or nanny, it doesn't matter kasi when you apply for PR, hinahanap lang nila, hindi yung qualification mo before na nakakuha ka ng experience, hindi rin qualification mo yung business. Ang qualification is, number one, naka-apply ka, naka-work ka ng caregiver or nanny na 6 months. Yun ang main thing. And how you prove that? It's not LMIA, it's not contract. It is an employment certificate, a pay stub, okay? It is your notice of assessment showing na nabigyan ka ng T4 ng pagiging nanny at caregiver mo. Napakagandang isipin na, you focus muna, especially you have children here in Canada, guys. You focus on gaining that experience, but you don't need to study right now. Okay? You don't need to study kasi open permit ka eh. As long na, like me, I'm a private person or owner ako ng isang nursing home or any kind of care facilities. And I want you to be part of my team or gusto kita na maging employee ko, I don't really care yung PSW mo. Pwede ka namang maging assistant ng PSW as long na gusto. Pwede ka rin maging caregiver or nanny kasi lahat yun pasok sa PR application. Hindi yun conditional, guys.